Okay, so if you have a problem with your sled, mostly the Procross series, if your sled doesn't start after you've had it sitting for a while, or maybe you ran it out of gas, you can crank and crank, doesn't do anything. One thing you want to check, I've had it before, instead of taking it to the dealer, test this first. Come down to your clutch side, there's these two vent lines right here. Find whichever one goes to your gas tank, and then put an air compressor on it. Inflate it. Inflate your tank a little bit till you see it bulging out a bit. Put air to it for about, I don't know, 10, 15 seconds. Maybe a little bit more. Then get somebody to crank this thing over while you put a little bit more air to it. It should fire up third pull maybe. But yeah, if you have that problem, just test that first. I bring my 2012 to the dealership for that. Charged me $150. They said it was airlocked. But the next time it happened, I just did that and it fired right up. So that helps. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know.